Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a candy dish. This is one of my last minute projects for Halloween, but this candy dish turned out super cute and it only cost $3 to make. So if you want to see how I made this using all Dollar Tree items, just keep on watching. First off, I'm going to start off with two of these spider baskets. They do have them in the colors black, purple, and I believe orange, so you can definitely make this any color you'd like. First, I'm going to take the tag off, and then I'm going to go in with this goblet from Dollar Tree. Remember, everything in this video is from Dollar Tree, so I'm going to take this goblet. I believe they have this one in orange and purple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with hot glue, and I'm just going to glue that to one of the baskets, the center part of the basket. Before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute as simple projects like this one and definitely affordable, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell because I have a Christmas DIY that I've just finished yesterday and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So be sure to click that bell so you're notified when I upload that video. Now I'm just flipping the whole thing over and I'm just going to apply extra hot glue wherever the web touches the bottom of the cup. Press it a few times, make sure everything is dry before turning it over and it gets stuck on the table. But now I'm going to apply hot glue on the rim of the cup up there, and I'm just going to apply the second basket like this. You could fill your cup with pretty much anything, maybe like eyeballs if you'd like, or maybe place a skeleton in there sitting inside, or maybe the little glitter foam balls if you'd like. So you can definitely put whatever you'd like in there for extra decoration, for a little pop. But here's how it turned out. This was so easy to make. It was last minute and it turned out pretty cute. But as always, I'd like to know what you think, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs, and be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. Bye.